tutorial for easy contour and highlighting. Hi, I'm Megan Ambroch, a celebrity makeup artist, licensed esthetician, and founder of sh.cosmetics. And I'm going to share with you today how to do this simple and easy highlight and contour. And all you need is one compact and two brushes. That's it. Let's go. I'm using the contour powder duo for this video and two of my most favorite brushes. So first we're going to start out with a clean face, of course, and then using the foundation brush, I'm going to use that contour, the darker shade here, dab it on, and I'm going to start contouring around the cheekbones, right at the base here. This creates a sculpt and a lift to the face. Right here I'm going around the hairline to give you that. Next, I'm just applying under the jawline here and underneath the chin as well. This is just going to sculpt that area and get rid of anything you want to diminish, like a double chin, for instance, or just creating a natural, pretty jawline. Next, we're going to move on to the nose. This is my favorite part. Using the concealing blending brush, I'm just going alongside of the nose there to make the nose appear smaller. And I do that right on the tip too. Just shrinking that nose down a little bit. So you can see already how it's reduced the size of the appearance of my nose. And then once we're done with that, we're going to go back with our foundation brush for blending. We're going to take our highlighter and we are going to blend, blend, blend. As you can see, I didn't even clean off this brush. I'm just applying that highlighter and I'm applying that right on top of everything that I did, just blending everything out to give it a nice, even, beautiful, even complexion here with a subtle highlight to it as well. And then when you want to go on and give a little bit more of a highlight, I went directly with my fingertip here and just applied that highlighter on there. Right everywhere I want like a little bit more of a highlight. This gives you really pretty natural contour and highlight. And that's it. It doesn't get any easier than that. Simple and easy highlight and contour. And here's a little cheat sheet of where I highlighted and contoured. And there you have it. That's it. Thank you so much for joining me and checking out this highlight and contour duo. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to hear from you and I love your feedback. Thanks so much. Bye.